Okay, next we want to go to the Carabiner pen fusion files in the day 5 block 9 of our day-by-day lesson plans. And inside of that folder we have a couple of other sub-assemblies already shared with you. So you want to go ahead and download those files. Okay, and that should go directly to your downloads folder. Okay, so then let's go back over into Fusion and make sure you're in your Carabiner shuttle pen file, and let's go ahead and select upload. So then when we go in, look, we want to get the upper housing assembly, and we'll go ahead and select open. And then we also want to get the pen barrel subassembly, and we'll go ahead and select open. So go ahead and select upload, and you'll notice what that's doing is that's bringing in all the individual components that were built bottom up or top down, as some of these other components were modeled, and the subassemblies that are there. Okay, so that just takes care of importing the rest of the components so that you will be able to complete the assembly.